Hey, CDL lifers! It's Molly back with you again, this time with a wild video. A state trooper recently had a close encounter with an oncoming semi-truck. Reports say that the semi-truck was attempting to pass two other vehicles in a no-pass zone on State Highway 59A and State Highway 3W, north of Ada in Oklahoma. The truck, unable to get over in time, forces the trooper off the road. It was also a close call for the two cars on the other side of the semi. As the driver notices the patrol car rushing towards him, he instinctually swerves to his right in order to avoid the oncoming trooper. The Chevy van and that small white car are also forced off to the side of the highway. The trooper then quickly spins around in order to issue the driver a citation. Clearly, the truck driver knew he had some explaining to do. As we can see, he has already pulled himself over. But thankfully, no one was hurt. If you're interested in seeing more wild videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. I'm Molly with CDL Life. You stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.